culture in the plant is fantastic, and it's something that I always would have said, hey, it's someplace I'm happy to go every day. But then I found out after spending time here, it's very much like that in a truer sense than I ever kind of expected. I've been incredibly comfortable, incredibly satisfied. As an employee owner, you're always especially proud also that, hey, this is what we kind of dreamt it could be. But then obviously on a personal level, you're just kind of taking advantage of it while you're here. So yeah, it's tremendous.
We actually went to each person in the line and figured out how to make it inclusive with one another. So for us, it became a big family atmosphere, and we built it together. And to us, the culture is, it's a dynamic that you actually don't see in many manufacturing plants. We've been told from other companies or people that have come from others that you're dealing with that they don't feel as included when you're dealing with manufacturing. It's just a facility, it's just a line, it's just another person. They're like machinery to them. So here we actually focus on the values and our pillars of core through Centra and make sure that they're always included, and it's a big thing for us.
I think making our own windows matters because there's a real human element, and again, I get to work really closely with the people that are involved in it on a daily basis, but hands-on, not just the actual labor, but the ideas, the minds behind it. Every day you're coming up with challenges. No one's house is exactly like someone else's house, so the windows are all unique to their own degree. So there's a unique craftsmanship kind of feel that you can't really escape. And so I think it's really important. And it kind of fits in with the fact that Centra does every other part of the process themselves as well, from service to installation to sales, marketing and whatnot. So yeah, it feels like it's just another cog in the same big wheel.
So we have a custom schedule program that's actually built from our IT teams directly for our company that allows us to take all the different divisions of our floor manufacturing and actually combine it into one. So currently right now we have a different product line. So we have a 6800 line, which is our sliding windows. We have a 2900 product, which is our casement. We have a tilt and turn division, which is our doors, 5200, which is our patio doors. And the reason we do it that way is we schedule it all as one order comes in. We schedule it across the line so it all comes off at the same time.
Teamwork is a very positive thing we experience on a daily basis. We see it in a number of different ways, achieving a schedule and coming out on top and hitting the targets that we want to, hitting them ahead of time if we're able to, overcoming the regular obstacles. But maybe more importantly, and along the lines of adaptability, understanding where we fit along the goals of what the company is trying to achieve, whether it's this year, 1 to 3 years, even further out, and knowing that what we're trying to achieve as a team is fitting in and propelling the whole company forward, especially as employee owners. That's really satisfying challenge as well.
We definitely have a big personality to us. There's a lot of people that come together from different cultures and backgrounds that make it a very inclusive unit, and we're very fun to be around. You just got to get to know us.